And recording, do it again. Ripley, go sit back next to Daddy. Where are you going? We gotta try to get pictures.
Do you know what Ripley loves?
What?
Guess.
She loves to carve pumpkins with her daddy.
She loves pumpkin guts. You love pumpkin guts?
No.
Do you like the way the pumpkin smells?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Pumpkin.
Right. Smell like Halloween?
Maybe we can make her
Maybe. Come here. Smell the pumpkin? Pumpkin.
Hi. You want to tell me what's going on? Oh, yeah.
What kind of seed is this right here? Come here. Right there. You see that one? Come here. Pumpkin guts. That's one.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sharpie. Here, babe.
Time for you.
Okay, come here and draw your face.
A little observation.
I'll make the teeth, too. I'll make the teeth, too, okay?
Okay, sit down.
Yeah. Posters are stupid.
And
I'm
she
just
has
going to start down and
Sit down.
some art. Well, Dad.
Put this on your lap.
Kiss my hairy butt.